Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to teach you how can report someone's comment on your post on Instagram, since some people be commenting uncomfortable things on your post. So you might feel uncomfortable with that and have the need to report them just so they can be punished. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can report an Instagram comment. So simply start by opening Instagram. And now that Instagram is open, you can see that we have our home section area. So simply go on your menu profile. And now that your menu profile is open, you can see that we have our posts and our profile details. So simply start by opening the post which has a comment you would like to report. So now that the post is open, you can see that we have our likes and comments area. So simply go on comments. And now simply come and then find the comment you would like to report. So after finding it, simply long press it if you are on Android. However, if you on iPhone, simply slide the comment to the left side. And now as you can see, you have been given the option to pin it, report it or delete. So simply come here and choose the report middle option. And now as you can see, we have our options to either report the comment, restrict the account or simply block it. So simply click on report. And now as you can see, you have been given so many options relating to reporting this comment. So simply find the one suitable or you find matching your reason to why you reported them in the first place. So for me, I'm going to tap I just don't like it. And now after getting this notification, you can simply click on next. And now as you can see, you have been given the option to block the user or restrict them. So simply come and then choose the one you find suitable. So for me, I'm going to choose block. And now the user is blocked. So from now on you can report any comment however you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.